Many people ask me if the estate tax is going to be repealed on January 1st, 2010. The estate tax exemption today is $3.5 million. The estate tax is due to be repealed as of January 1st, 2010. The Congress has been involved in healthcare legislation, but there is a significant deficit in the country. The government needs revenue. So we believe that the government will extend the $3.5 million exemption into 2010. The estate tax then is not going to affect about 95% of the population. However, for the last number of years, estate plans have been designed for most people when the exemption was $600,000 and when the exemption was $1 million. Therefore, most people have estate plans that are estate tax focused. The result will be that they have restrictive trusts and that there might be trusts set up in an unintended way. These estate plans need to be reviewed. If your estate plan was drafted prior to 2006, your estate plan needs to be reviewed. Please call us today. There is an important tax and retirement planning opportunity for 2010, and it's the Roth IRA. This is important because prior to 2010, conversion of Roth IRAs was not available to people who make more than $100,000 per year. The Roth IRA is distinguished by the fact that it is complete tax avoidance, not just tax deferral. For the right person, a Roth IRA is an opportunity to completely avoid taxes and to avoid the minimum distributions starting at age 70 and a half. There is some analysis that has to be done and some planning that has to be done. But this is the best tax shelter that's out there, particularly in an environment of higher tax rates. So if you have an IRA, you should be thinking about a Roth IRA conversion. For help in whether or not the conversion makes sense, how to do it, and appropriate planning, call us. In 2010, people who have IRA accounts and retirement plans as well are going to have to once again begin taking their required minimum distributions. There is a significant penalty assessed by the IRS for failure to take these required minimum distributions. It's our advice that clients begin to look at the amount of their distribution early in the year, not late in the year. So, if you need help calculating the distribution or planning your IRA and related distributions, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you to avoid what can be a significant penalty from the IRS. There are a few simple things that I'd like my clients to keep in mind as we move to the end of the year and the beginning of 2010. These are simple little things that can keep all of one's affairs in order. First, if you're an organ donor, I'd like you to make sure that you sign the back of your driver's license. But in addition to that, I'd like you to go to www.lifegoeson and sign up in the organ donation registry. The second thing that I'd like you to do is go to the website that's on the screen and register your emergency contacts with the Illinois Secretary of State. Next, I'd like you to look at all of your beneficiary designations: 401k plan, pension plan, IRA, and life insurance. Make sure that they're all consistent with your desires and coordinated with your estate plan. If there's any questions, if there's any issues, call us. Please make sure your beneficiary designations are up to date. Third, I'd like you to review all of your life insurance policies. There have been major changes in the economy. There's been major changes in interest rates. Life insurance policies need to be reviewed. If you need help with this, please call us. And finally, I'd like you to have a happy and safe holiday season.